In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Salesforce with Outlook. Connecting these two essential tools not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures that you never miss out on important updates or information. So let's dive right in and get started on this integration. First, we'll begin by accessing Salesforce. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot the gear icon. This icon is what you will click to access the setup. By doing this, we're entering the configuration settings, which is where most integrations and customizations happen in Salesforce. Next, we'll use the Quick Find box, which is a shortcut tool that helps you locate specific settings quickly. You'll want to type in Outlook Integration and Sync. As you type, the list will update with relevant matches, and you'll then select the option that says Outlook Integration and Sync. This is the section where we can enable the necessary services to start the integration process. With the Outlook Integration section open, you'll notice a toggle switch. Our next step is to toggle the Outlook integration to On. This simple action activates the integration features, making Salesforce ready to communicate with Outlook. Toggling this feature essentially sets the foundation for linking both platforms. Now it's time to move on to downloading the necessary application. Just below the Outlook integration settings, there's an option called Microsoft App Source. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Microsoft App Store. Microsoft App Store houses a variety of apps that can be synchronized with Microsoft products. In this case, we're looking for the Salesforce app, which is specifically designed to work seamlessly within Outlook. Once you arrive at the Microsoft App Store, you'll see the option to Get It Now. Click on this button and then follow the on-screen instructions to install the Salesforce app. The steps here are straightforward, guiding you through the download and installation process. Make sure to carefully review any prompts to ensure that permissions are correctly set. This is crucial, as granting the appropriate permissions allows the integration to function without hiccups. With the module now installed, your Outlook will be enhanced with the functionality to access Salesforce data directly within your email client. This seamless integration ensures that whether you're reading emails or managing customer data, all your information is centralized and easy to manage. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Salesforce with Outlook. This integration not only helps in maintaining a more organized workflow, but also improves collaboration, data accuracy, and efficiency in communication. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.